Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Premier Next. Over the Moon Season 2 is one of the interesting Japanese TV series. It is in the genre of animation and comedy romance TV series. Hiroshi Ikehata, Seek Fucus, Akira Mano, Toshikotsu Tokara, Sanji Yuzida, Akira Koto, Yusuke Onoda and Yuzuyako Siyama are the directors of the series. Kenjiro Hata, Kazuo Hayoda and Rachel Robinson are the writers of the series. Kazuhiko Saiki is the editor of the series. Endo is the music director of the series. Yuki Ozumo is the cinematographer of the series. Japan is the country of origin and Japanese is the original language of the series. There are totally single season with 13 episodes and each episode runs up to 23 minutes. Over the Moon plotlines. This series was mainly depends on the marriage which was then comes on an earthbound love that was out of this world. Till the day he presents was named him Yuzaki Naza that has been destined for the outer space or else so he believes in it. But this is when he trying to join the space program that he was thrown from a loop when an accident was introduced him to a Tasukazu who was a mysterious girl with strange powers. Then she was an alien to a moon goddess or else something else from she insists on marrying him with NASA who has plenty of chances to find out that. This will also continue in the sequel part of this series. Over the Moon cast and characters. There are many main cast and characters are there in this series. They are Akira Kita as Tsukasa Yuzaki, Jonya Enoki as Naza Yuzaki, Yu Serihisa as Kanami Arigusawa, Konami Kohara as Chistos Kaignoji, Hitomi Wauda as Charlotte, Yuki Nagako as Aurora, Sumira Yuzaka as Aya Ariguwa, Mazumi Azona as Kanaoka Yuzaki, and many other members are also introduced in the sequel part of the series. Over the Moon release details. The first season of the series was released on 3rd October 2020. The second season was renewed on March 2020 and it takes 7 months to take this. The series was expected to be released on July 2021. So let us wait and watch it for good experience. We have been tracking the information about this series. Once we get official update, we will surely update each and every single updates. I hope fans will be satisfied by this information. So stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching video. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like and subscribe our Facebook page. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please click on the like button and do subscribe for latest updates.